everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos and stretching videos for figure skaters, but also for non-figure skaters. So today this is a video for everyone. We're going to be doing a balletic arm workout. Not going to do any warm-up. We're going to get right into it, so it's a quick video. If you don't have much time, this is perfect. So we're just going to start off with going with one arm to the side, just to shoulder height, and then the other side. Just standing however you'd like, then going upwards and down. Other side and down. Making sure that we're stretching first, but then we're bending in that elbow when the arm comes down. Making sure our index finger is nice and tight to the middle finger and lifting up slightly. And then the middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger are tight together as well. And now let's take this time to look to one side, then the other, then looking upwards, then the other side. Engaging our abs here, having a nice posture so the shoulders do not lift when we lift our arms upwards, for example. Good, let's do one more set of these. To the side, release, other side, release. Then we go upwards, then other side, and down. Now we're just going to bring both arms to shoulder height and then come down, up and down. Again, stretching here, then letting your elbows bend nicely to create that nice soft effect. 5 more. And again, let's take this time to look to one side, down, look to the other side, down. 3 more. And last one. And now we're going to go all the way, nice big swan arm going up, bending those elbows down. Looking upwards to one side, then down, then looking upwards to the other side and down. Or you can look straight up and then just look down. 5 more. Slowly and with control, moving through these movements, so nothing too fast. Try to follow my pace. Last one. And now we're going to combine it. So we're going to bring one arm up, one to the side, down. Little wave at the center, and then other side. Here you can look towards your side, your arm to the side, or you can look upwards if you'd like. That's up to you. So let yourself choose the movement here. Make it unique. We're gonna go for 20 of these, so we've got 10 more. Adding some weights to your wrists makes this a little bit more difficult, so know that you can always do that, just to add a little bit more intensity. Good. And now release. And now we're going to bring our arms forward, and then we're just going to lift them to the back a little bit. So palms are facing down, but then when we bring the arms back, the palms are facing upwards. But we don't change our wrists at all here. Let the elbows bend, then lift up. Coming forward and back, almost like you're creating a nice wave with your arms. And we're going to be doing 20 of these as well. So we've got 10 more. Just breathing at a normal pace here. Good. Last one. Now keep those arms lifted in the back, and we're just going to flip our wrists back and down, up and down. We're going to try and do 20 of these as well. Try to lift your arms as much as you can to the back. 10 more. Good. And now we're just going to start to do big circles to the back with our arms. So really opening here, looking upwards. Nice and slow, so you feel that burn in your shoulders. Last two circles. And last one. And last thing, bring your arms to the sides and we're gonna do nice small circles. So just to shoulder height. Nice and soft movement here. 10 more. And last one, and release. Good, shake it out nicely. We are finished. So let's take a quick little stretch to the side with our arm. So bring your arm to the side, the other arm bends under. Then letting it go, other side. Let it go. Grab your fingers and your palms together. Just stretch the arms back. And release. Perfect. So if you need a more in-depth upper body stretch, you can always check out my channel. I have a lot of upper body stretches, arm stretches there. So thank you all for joining me today. I was so happy to have you, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.